Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Did it again. We got a gorgeous car right here. A 67 Marina blue with blue leather interior, number matching, excellent condition throughout. Beautiful car. Go to volocars.com. You can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, tops down in this 4-speed Vette Roadster. Let's go for a spin. Really nice car, top to bottom. It just seems like an honest, it's a good one. Gentleman that we got it from, I've known him for decades. He's a car collector. He owns a successful collision shop. You know, they rebuild modern cars. He knows cars is the point I'm getting at. He didn't restore this one. This is his hobby. He's owned this one for 3 or 4 years, but he knows what he's looking at. He wouldn't have bought a Corvette with a bad body or not fitting right. It would drive him nuts. So the point again I'm making, the body's really clean on this one. If it's coming from this guy, you know the body's clean. It is a numbers matching 327 300 horse. It's a factory blue on blue car. It's Marina blue. And again, the body's outstanding. I didn't find a crack. I don't see any bonding marks showing through. I don't see any damage. I mean, this thing is laser beam straight. It is like absolutely straight. The gaps, they're really good. You look at our front end picture on our website, there's a picture when it's up on the lift. Look how level the bumpers and how square the headlights fit. This thing's not been kissed in the front end. It fits perfectly. The paint, the metal flake is laid out beautifully. The clear coat's polished like glass. There's an area right here where it's got some pimples in the paint. That's all that I've seen with it, and it's right here, and you'd have to catch it in a certain light to see it. Other than that, new windshield, the stainless has been polished, bow tie mirror, the door handles, bumpers have been replaced, emblems, it's all been redone. Like I said, everything up here fits nice. The hood fits nice and square, no stress cracks, just smooth. Has bolt-on wheels, reproduction wheels, nice radial tires, Michelin tires. You know, the wiper arms are nice and tidy. The gasket's soft. This rubber's soft. So beautiful shape. Glossy, clear-coated door jambs. New weather strip. The sticker's new. The latch is clean. Sill plates look new. It has a white convertible top. It's in excellent condition. I have a breakdown of the engine codes. The VIN number matches the car, and then as far as the casting codes, date codes, the codes on the heads and the dates, the intake manifold codes and dates, the carburetor, distributor, starter, exhaust manifolds, the water pump, they're all number matching. The bell housing, the radiator, the expansion tank, it's all correct. All correct glass in the car. Leather seats, and I think they're perfect. They're not brand new. They're broken in like that perfect favorite leather jacket. They're nice and soft. They're not worn out. They're just right. They're nice and broken in and soft. I love them. All bright blue carpet front to back. Looks like it was replaced. Even floor mats. Door panels look like they're really good original. The whole instrument panel, the humps, the gauges, down around the radio, all looks nice. The lenses, the knobs, has quartz movement in the clock, has the correct shifter with the chrome ball and the reverse lockout. It has the blue seat belts. Steering wheel has one small crack at the top, but everything's nice. Nothing is brand new, but nothing is beat up, broken. It's all nice. The glove box door is real nice. We also have the NCRS shipping report. It says where the car was sold new. Interior lights work. Motor compartment's all detailed. It looks factory correct. Has all the ignition shielding, the right valve covers, GM hoses and clamps, the spring clamp battery cables on the battery. It does have a disconnect switch. Different decals and stamps and markings are correct. Very, very nice, clean, detailed motor compartment. The latches and the bottom of the hood and the rubber, just all super nice. I'm telling you, whoever gets this car is going to be very pleased with it. You will not be disappointed. Underneath the car, the fiberglass floors are just nice and clean. They look virgin. They don't look busted or cracked or repaired. The frame, smooth, clean frame. They dusted some black paint on it, so it looks nice. The front end doesn't look brand new, but the ball joints in that, they were replaced not that long ago. Sway bar bushing, shocks, they look more recent. When you look up at the motor, it's immaculate. The starter looks new. The fuel pump looks new. 4-speed's real clean. In back, it has the upgraded fiberglass leaf spring with Bilstein shocks. The spare tire carrier is all there and in place and proper. There's a spare inside of it. This has chambered exhaust, which I'm going to start for you in just a second. That's crimped pipe going all the way out the back. That was a factory option. That's in real nice shape. So this thing looks good top to bottom, inside and out. I'm selling myself on this one. I like it. It's a sweetheart. A little bit of a cam, a little thumpity, nice sound. I want to open the headlights for you, but I'll wait till we come around. The colors are just amazing. There the headlights go. They're opening smoothly, evenly. One's a little slower than the other, but there you go. Let's listen to that idle. This car just sold itself. I didn't have to say a word. I could have come out here, started it, and just got out of the way. Visit volocars.com before someone beats you to this great car. That's where you find plenty of ways to contact our salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car, but if you have more specific questions, feel free to ask them. They can help tell you about the car, the delivery, the financing, the paperwork. They can handle all that with you. volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.